I can't wait to show off the Lunchbox Museum that we discovered in Columbus, Georgia, while we were at the Florence Marina State Park. So we decided while we were at Florence Marina State Park, we always like to check out the surrounding areas, and we discovered that there was a lunchbox museum. When we first got to the building, we found this kind of antique store to start off with that had a little bit of everything you could imagine. And then I noticed that the Lunchbox Museum was within this store, but all of a sudden you turn a corner and there are cars, so it made it really unique and interesting. I just spoke to the gentleman who is running this, and he said that this museum was started in the 1980s, and they have over 5,000 pieces in their museum. That is the neatest thing. And then we discovered that it wasn't just the Lunchbox Museum. He also has collections of the Royal Crown Cola Museum, which started in Columbus, Georgia, as well as the Knee-High Drink Museum, and he also has a Georgia Radio Music Hall of Fame and Museum in this center. Hey, I hope you liked this video of the little Lunchbox Museum. Please like and subscribe, and my next video will be on historic Westville, so be on the lookout for that, and I will see you on the next travel.